You know, it's not often that I make notes when I make a video like this, but this JJC neck mount has so many different features that I don't want to forget any of them. So we'll start off at the beginning. Obviously, it's a neck mount, goes on like this. It also has this chest strap, one-click operation like that. This chest strap is adjustable. I'm a fairly thick person, but it mounts on really easy. It just slides through this little loophole right there. Velcro, it's attached, and I'm good to go. And that's it. It's on, it's stable. And now where it stands out is that this arm comes off. So now this becomes a selfie stick as well. Not only is it a selfie stick, it has a 1/4-inch mount in the bottom, so you can mount it onto a tripod, and you can just attach your camera or your GoPro to it that way. Because if you look at this arm, it has 3 points of articulation. One here, and one here. This here is a MagSafe, and if your camera doesn't include a MagSafe, they include one for you. So now this becomes a selfie stick, or like I said, I can make it into a tripod, or I can put it onto my chest like this. And when you attach it and make sure that it's stable, well, there it is. So now you've got this camera that frees your hands up, which makes like a real immersive POV moment. So whether you're unboxing or making POV videos or making UGC videos like I do, easy to use. And now when you look closely at this, you'll see, like I said, it's 3 different parts, 1, 2, and 3. All of these can be pulled out. And if you look really closely, you'll see that it will fit a GoPro right in here using a standard GoPro mount. Now the way I've been using it lately is I like to mount it to my chest and then put my GoPro in here, just like this. And that way it's nice and stable. Gives me a good shot. And not only that, but I just found this out recently, I don't always have to have it in horizontal mode. I can also mount it in vertical mode. So now all of a sudden my GoPro becomes, you know, a 9x16. How smart is that? Why didn't anyone think of this before? I wish I knew about this a year ago. It would have saved me hundreds and hundreds of dollars in stupid little gimmicks that I bought and never used. Just the selfie stick alone and the fact that it goes into a tripod, that's going to save me so much time when I take this out. I don't have to pack my bag full of unnecessary gear when I can just take this. It's really comfortable. I do like the strap that keeps it from swaying back and forth. And it's just so portable and easy to disassemble and take off. Just like that. And really, all you have to do, fold it up, slides into your backpack, hardly takes up any room at all. Man, such a smart design. And this is just a standard GoPro thread as well. So even if you do lose any of those tiny screws, it will just work with any GoPro screw mount in there. Where has this been all my life? Anyway, once again, this is the JJC magnetic neck mount. And when I say magnetic, I guess I should show you that too. So you got your 1/4-inch tripod mount there. And here's like a metal base so that when it goes in there, it snaps in. Like it's right there. It just guides it in directly. Okay, that's it. I had to go make some videos. I'll leave the link down below in case you're interested. This, game changer, time saver, definitely a money saver. Pack this in your bag and you won't need anything else. It's just that practical. I take this with me everywhere now. All right, I had to go do things.